Hello, everybody. Welcome to yet another Coinsider live stream. I do have a different mic today, so let me know how that sounds, please, in the comments. But we are nearing all-time highs for Bitcoin, if not hitting it during this stream. So there's a lot to chat about, like when alt season. Now, I do think there will be a broad-based alt season, not only meme coins, but broad-based, and everything will rocket. And this is why I want to do the same thing we've been doing the past few streams, which is take various projects that are on y'all's radar and look at them together. Okay? Let me check the comments real quick before we get started. Okay, volume is good, sounds better. All-time high. Let's go. Hello, Imad. Or sorry if I pronounced y'all's names wrong, by the way. So, same thing as always. Oh, wow. Let's check this out, actually. Hello from Germany. Hello, Amrit. 239 Fun. Blew past it. Let's check that out real quick. And then, as usual, we'll do the usual. If you want me to check out your project, share the full name, ticker symbol, and something interesting about it that everyone else should know about it, okay? Because we want to consider various projects that may not be on your radar, may not be on each other's radars. This is the beauty of this live stream. The point of this live stream is not for me to share my backs with y'all, it's for y'all to share your research, to democratize the research with each other, right? The strength in the crowd. We can do much better research collectively than I can do myself or my team. My great team of researchers can still not beat the power of all of us combined. So that's the point. Link is your biggest bag. Hello from Hong Kong. Okay. Just touched all-time high. Wow. Let's check that out real quick. But first, before we check that out, I want to say that this stream is brought to you by our partner and sponsor, Kraken Pro. More on them in a bit. You see the little logo up here, Kraken Pro, my favorite trading platform in crypto. Okay, now let us do some screen share. Okie dokie. Wait, I gotta open CoinMarketCap. Okay. Screen share window. This time I'm doing it correctly. What is with this CoinMarketCap awards? Let's not. Wow, ETH gas is so high, folks. That's crazy. Look at this. Etherscan.io. ETH gas. I hope y'all aren't trying to do things on chain right now. Where is the gas tracker? Right here. Swap, $178 for a single swap, $300 for an NFT sale, $55 for bridging, $147 for borrowing or lending borrowing. Wow, that's insane. Let's see how that is on Polygon scan. Let's see how the gas is. 1136 G-Way, but that's different though. Gas tracker. Yeah, but how much does this cost though in USD? Do we know? Did they tell us? L2 fees. Let's see. L2 fees. I hope this is up to date. Yeah, so these are still cheap. If this is up to date, this is still much cheaper, layer 2s. So folks, we should be using layer 2s. Anyhow, BTC, let's check this out. One day, oh my goodness. Is this, oh, it got rejected. This is what you said. All-time high, but then rejected. Let's check this officially. All-time high as of 12 minutes ago. Congratulations, folks. Let's write Oh, Jemmy says, luckily she trades mainly on Solana these days. Interesting. What are your favorite Solana projects? If you don't mind sharing our usual format, name, ticker symbol, and something interesting about them, then we for sure will take a look. But yeah, I mean, here's the thing. BTC has been rocketing. If we look at dominance, where's this dominance? Right here. 1 year. BTC dominance has been increasing since like the end of the bear market. Right here's the end of the bear. And it's this blue has been expanding, which means Bitcoin dominance has been expanding. But nothing really has been able to outpace Bitcoin. I mean, it may look like they are, but a lot of things are going down while Bitcoin up. But meanwhile, meme coin season, look at Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, 50% up in a day. Like, that's crazy. It hasn't been a broad-based alt season, though. Look at all these reds, though. It has not been a broad-based alt season. So hopefully that's what's coming next. That's what I'm personally positioned for. And that's what I want to do in this live stream to check out projects with y'all to potentially put on our portfolio. Sol is going to go to 1K this year for sure. 10x. Let's see, actually. Let's see what that equates to. Solana. It's at, okay, 1K is what? 1,000 divided by 140 is 7x from here. Take the market cap of 61 billion times 7, 427 billion circulating market cap. Is that reasonable? 470 billion? That seems hard, but in peak bull market, never say never, right? Okay, let's see who has followed the thing I said, which is name, ticker symbol, and something interesting. I will choose those first. Blaine Watkins, Sui, Near, Matic, Manta. I have Sui, I have Manta. I don't have Near or Matic at this point, but doesn't mean I won't in the future. I do like those. It's rejecting. It's a trap. Okay, this is close enough. Adarsh, thank you for following the format. Galaxy Gal, a lot of new airdrops having partnerships with them. Okay, so what is this about? Galaxy Gal, have not heard of this one. Every time y'all give me something new, which I like. Okay, this started in 2022. Market cap expansion, quite a bit. 52%, not that bad. Let's see, is it accessible? Yes, it is accessible everywhere. Now let's see, what does it do? Binance launch MBB. Wow, that's a lot of stuff it does. Okay, let's see. What does this Galaxy do? Earn tokens, NFTs by contributing to your... Learn about liquid staking, token reward, Euler. I've seen projects like this before. It's like they do like rewards, reward-based loyalty programs for different Web3 partners. So look, I think this is really interesting. Tokenomics. Let's see the tokenomics. Governance, play for application module fee, paying for Oracle engine, curating digital credentials. Yeah. So look, I think this is valuable. I just don't see this as having a super large total addressable market. And it's already at 300 million. I really can't see this going that far above. I'd be surprised if it did a 10x. I'm just going to say that. I'd be surprised. Though I think it's quality, though. I think it's quality. Let me see what people have said on X about it, because X is one of the best places to do research. And if y'all aren't following us yet, excuse me, join Coincider, then you're missing out. You should definitely Galaxy Gal. Let's see. Okay. Galaxy AI? Really? Why do they need a Galaxy AI besides to get the FOMO from AI narrative? Fostering effective strategies, cultivating Web3 communities. You know what? We should do this with the Coincider DAO. We should have this like big community and do like airdrops, partnerships with different projects. What do y'all think about that? Participants can mint NFTs, eligible airdrops, raffles, beta access. Yeah, this is like a community play. We can do that with a Coincider DAO potentially. Next airdrop, Manta Network. Okay. Let's see this Galaxy AI. Alva app. What the heck is Alva app? AI Copilot for Web3 investing. Okay. Navigating Web3 space directly through. In contrast to ChatGPT, Galaxy has no knowledge cutoff. Draws from vast Web3 knowledge base. Project researcher. Ooh, maybe we can use this project researcher to help us research stuff. Airdrop hunter, market analyst. Market analyst, it's going to fail like crazy because there's no way the AI would catch these like contrarian market trends that everyone misses. Remember, AI is trained on the crowd knowledge. But anyhow, the other stuff may be Gal is the governance token of Galaxy. App fees. Yeah, I don't think they have to pay that much app fees though. I'm not really that big on this. It looks interesting. I would use their products, but I don't know if I would be that excited about its appreciation potential. Okay, let's see. UTM4 about Sol going to 1K seems far stretched, but this bullish sentiment is wild. Random guy, our moderator, thank you so much, says, I can see that happening too. Dean asks, you mentioned DAG architecture wasn't the best. Why was that? Honestly, that would require a lot of, like, I can't do it justice by just explaining it off the cuff through this live stream. But when I was studying layer ones back in the day, I was really big on IOTA, Nano, all those DAG projects. But then there was a lot of discussion by the like top dogs like Vitalik and other people. And the conclusion was that DAG architecture just doesn't work well for blockchain applications. And per my personal view, I also agreed with that conclusion. So I'll just leave it at that. You should do more research yourself, though. I don't want you to just take my word for it. Folks, remember, we need name a project, ticker symbol, and something interesting about it. This is close enough. The boys, SubQuery SQT. Let's see, SubQuery. SubQuery network. Okay. Circulating supply is 0. What the heck is this crazy stuff going on? That's not helpful. Okay, well, first let's see how accessible it is. Bybit, Uniswap base. Okay, not that, it's pretty accessible. Mainnet has launched. Token generation event happened. Supercharge your dApp with SubQuery. So this is like data indexers, RPC endpoints. This is like graph protocol, right? dApp users, delegators. Okay. Decentralized indexers and RPCs. Maybe it's not exactly like Graph Protocol. Interesting. I know I just said it's not exactly like Graph Protocol, but it's kind of adjacent subquery to the graph. Wow, that's far away. 100x. Oh, that's because they don't have. Oh, they're using 29 million as the. Actually, let's see this. Actually, can I click into here? Total liquidity, volume, fully diluted value. Fully diluted values are 100 million. Okay. Let's see what people are saying on X. SubQuery. SQT. Is a pivotal pool. Oh, Bybit. SubQuery has raised from some top dogs. Arrington, Digital Currency Group. Those are well known. Slow data retrieval and the need for developers to build their own indexing solutions. Slow data retrieval. Yeah, I think it's okay. I'm not personally that excited about it, but let's take a look at some other stuff going on. Okay, this is the type of stuff I want to see. Thoughts on Chiliz, CHZ. Basically a monopoly on the sports/fan tokens. A lot of partnerships with huge clubs all over the world, improved tokenomics recently. Market cap not small, but still room to grow. Chiliz is legit. Their fan tokens really rocketed during the World Cup, if you remember that. But I think after the World Cup hype died down, their usage also died down a bit. Okay, let's see. 99.9% circulating. That's amazing. 1 billion already. Okay. 1 billion. Let's see the market cap. All-time high is 4 billion. So 4x away, sports. I do think this is a really legit use case. It's building fan tokens. It's a platform for fan tokens of different sports clubs. Like if you're into football or soccer, or however you want to call it, with the Socios network. Yeah, that is pretty awesome. Chiliz. I think I wouldn't be surprised if it could do a 10x. It's also very accessible. You can get it everywhere. But yeah, 10x, even higher than before. But above that, I find it hard to believe. I mean, it is mostly focused on fan tokens, right? It is like the industry leader in that thing. Sports. Let's see what other sports there are. Yeah, see their fan tokens. Paris Saint-Germain fan token, FC Barcelona fan token, Manchester City fan token. These are all built on Socios, I believe. So they dominate this space. Chiliz does. Wait, let me close that. Okay, so that's Chiliz. I do agree with you. Market cap not small, but still room to grow. Thank you for this. Okay, thank you, Dev Random, for following instructions. Orion Protocol, ORN. Remember, folks, if you want us to check out your project, you have to share full name, ticker symbol, and something interesting about them that you want to share with the group. Orion Protocol, the aggregate liquidity. ORN. Is it this one? Only 34% circulating. Market cap all-time high was 500 mil. Now it's 600 mil. Okay, let's see how accessible it is. It's very accessible. Whoops, let's not look at their Twitter. Let's look at their website first. Oh, actually, and let's look at their Twitter second. Save time, best prices, your wallet, global access. Best prices, decentralized, buy and sell in seconds. Okay. Ultra fast cross-chain transfers. It's kind of like Jupiter, right? Lumia is the liquidity layer of Web3 designed to redefine the entry point for DeFi, connecting L1s and L2s with boundless liquidity from centralized exchanges and DEXs. Liquidity fragmentation, Orion terminal. Okay. Biggest DAO vote in history. Uniswap has been struggling for years to offer real value to the Uni token holders. Lumia solves this dilemma. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Uniswap faces hurdles in profit distribution due to high payouts to liquidity providers. Lumia sources liquidity directly from centralized exchanges, minimizing the need for costly LP payments. Really, how do they source liquidity from centralized exchanges? That has to have some trusted component. You can't connect DEXs to centralized exchanges in a pure trustless component. Right? I mean, okay. Lumia solves this dilemma. Interesting. Directly sourcing. Yeah, they don't explain how here. Anyhow, this is quite interesting. I could definitely see this go more than 10x. Issue is supply expansion. Actually, let's take a look. Let's take a little more look at that. Let's take a look at their supply expansion. That's so important. If you are invested in a project with like 10% circulating, then you're going to get screwed long term. Really? Orion, ORN tokenomics. Let's see. Orion tokenomics. Token. Here. Details. Okay, original mint, permanently removed, max supply, vested supply, total circulated, current circulating supply. But what about their vesting schedule? Or not vesting schedule, like their token emission schedule. Yeah, well, I'm not going to take too much time here, but that's something important to look at. It does look interesting, though. Dev Random, thanks for sharing that. What's all this hype about Caspa? Is it really that good? In my opinion, no, but you know how it goes in crypto. Momentum is king. So when things have a lot of hype and momentum, it's hard to argue against it in terms of price action. So I wouldn't fade Caspa, or I wouldn't short Caspa if I was anyone. Do I personally think it's going to be around long term? No, I think it's going to pretty much be a ghost town next bear market, come next bear market. But anyhow, we're full on bull market right now, so let's not even think about the bear market or even mention it at this point. Amads, what do you think about Taraxa, Tara? Good team, been updating the project for a while. Haven't heard of it. I love checking out new projects every stream with y'all. So if you like Taraxa, I spelled it wrong. If y'all like looking at new projects every time, you got to like the stream and subscribe as well, because there will be new alpha from the crowd every single time, not only from me, but from the crowd. Okay, let's see, about almost half circulating. That's acceptable. 50 million market cap. Smaller exchanges, KuCoin Gate, that's okay with me. Okay, let's see, what does it do? And let's check out their Twitter too. Block DAG. Really? Another block DAG? I mean, I guess you all like these DAG projects, but roadmap? Is anyone building on this? I highly doubt it. Let's see their ecosystem. AI-enabled Web3 ecosystem. So many, whatchamacallit, so many buzzwords. Community site, apply for grant, EVM compatible, proof of stake smart contract platform based on block DAG with true finality. Easily deploy your ETH dApps on there and they will work. That's cool, but is anyone going to deploy on there? 500 mil, 10x. 1 bill. What is their emission schedule though? Taraxa. Also, this name is kind of hard to pronounce. Taraxa tokenomics. Economic model. Okay. Non-refundable functional utility token. Token distribution. Wow. A lot of it in sales, team, foundation. Okay. Token utility. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe not the biggest fan, but I definitely think it could 10x, maybe even 20x. I wouldn't be surprised. It's okay. Once the correction happens, yeah, I'm mostly deployed, but if the big correction comes, then that would be an amazing time. I agree with you, Dill Pickle. Iagon versus Filecoin. Iagon has a lot more upside, but it will be hard to beat Filecoin, which has a lot more storage capacity, a lot more legitimacy in like market control, and even cheaper storage costs. So Iagon is promising. It could benefit from the hype of the sector if both of those, if like decentralized storage and computing rockets. It could rocket even more than Filecoin, but long-term Filecoin is better, safer, more high-quality project. Alifa said, Casper, Nervos, Seek, Jasmine, all of them have done 10x before alt season. That is true. Now, the question is how far they can go during alt season. What do I think about Mask? Web3 browser that prioritizes security. Well, just based on how you described it, I think it's very niche. Very niche. Does not have as big of a potential market cap. Let's see, 16 mil. 91%. I like that tokenomics so far. Social media privacy. Live online without trades earn. So it's like a oh, is this like VPN? This is like a decentralized VPN. I don't trust these VPNs, to be honest with you. I may be tripping, but I'd only use the biggest VPNs like Google VPN or NordVPN, I guess. Right? I wouldn't use these VPNs. You don't know what's going on them. But on the other hand, if you want to buy their mass token, then sure, I guess you can. I just wouldn't be surprised of this going higher than like 10x or so. I'd be surprised if they did go higher than that. Okay. Jimmy has one here. Node AI GPU. AI narrative, which we all know is huge. Much more degen entry than render short-term trade. Okay. Thank you for that. Let's check that out. Wait, what was the name? Node AI. Node AI GPU, 78 mil, 100% circulating. That's amazing. Markets. Let's see how accessible it is. Uniswap. Okay, I guess you gotta. Well, you can't do that right now because you saw how high gas fees are. But oh wow, this is really rocketing right now. AI narrative. Let's see. Node AI powering the demand for next gen AI. Key infrastructure providers. Well, duh, you're just buying their GPUs. AI revenue share, stake GPU, earn a share of the revenue. Okay, I like that. So this is like decentralized network of GPUs. What is that like? There's another project like yeah, she said render network. This could be like a smaller render network. Oh, there's a buy and sell tax. Okay, I guess that works. Revenue sharing. Okay. So how many do they have? 56 total GPUs. That's not that much. Average monthly revenue, barely anything. But I guess they can grow. And they do have the narrative. She is right about that. So let's compare. Node AI, the smaller one with only like Node AI. Okay, maybe I'm just going to type GPU instead. Oh, come on. It's not even here. Okay, 78 mil. Render network is at 2.7 bill. That's 34x reach render. Not bad, but like I said, you have to pay huge gas fees to get like $200 in gas fees. Maybe not the time to buy this right now until later. Or I guess you can buy it on Sol, but this is kind of weird data. Are you getting this on Sol on Jupiter? This is weird data on CoinMarketCap. They need to update that. But yeah, that looks interesting. Yes, folks, I will try to get to everyone that follows the instructions. But please don't just type it over and over. Let's see. What else? So, Partisia blockchain, MPC. Oh, wait, folks, before we get to this, I want to share a quick word from our partners and sponsors. So please stay with me for that. Check it out, and then I'll be right back with more great analysis. All right, guys, I want to share with you 3 reasons why you gotta try out Kraken Pro today. Well, this is not one of my reasons, but I've personally been using Kraken for years now, so I swear by them as one of the best exchanges out there. But my first reason is that they give you one of the most customizable trading experiences in the entire crypto world. Now, I know you traders love to customize everything. Like you want your charts to look a certain way, you want your lines to be a certain color, etc. Well, that's why you're gonna love Kraken Pro, because they have this custom layouts feature that lets you build your trading interface exactly how you like it. You can drag and drop, resize, move a bunch of widgets around, and you can add things like the order book, your overall portfolio view, favorite pairs, and more. Anyhow, my second reason to try them out is their awesome price alerts. Check this out. I can add price alerts for any coin just by clicking on their price chart. It's as easy as that. And then when it's set, I will get notifications on web and on my Kraken Pro mobile app. So yeah, that's so useful when I'm away from my computer and gotta jump back on to snipe a great entry. But then, don't sleep on my third reason to try Kraken Pro, which is their best-in-class liquidity. Check this out. This is data from The Block, showing slippage for some of the top exchanges out there. Guess which exchange is the purple line that's at the bottom most of the time? Well, that'd be Kraken, which is where Kraken Pro gets its liquidity from. And that means you'd receive more coins when buying with the same amount of money. Anyhow, you got custom layouts, you got price alerts, and you got super low slippage. What else could you ask for as a trader? Just go try them out using my link in the description. Oh, and this is not investment advice. Crypto trading involves risk of loss. All right, guys, I'm back. Thank you for sticking with me there. Let's continue the show and continue looking at these great new projects that I personally haven't heard of before that y'all are sharing alpha with each other. Okay, so where was the one sec. I'm going down the list. Like I said, you don't need to type it over and over, okay? I'm choosing the good ones. Paria, both a layer 1 and layer 2 that uses multi-party computation to bring privacy, unlimited scalability. Okay, Paria, MPC. Is it not out yet? Is it not launched yet? So many blockchains. Don't y'all feel the same way as me? Like, what's the point on having all these different blockchains? Utility token. MPC. But why is it not on CoinMarketCap yet? Is it on CoinGecko? Paria. MPC. Doesn't really have a good way to look at their thing. And I just feel like it's just yet another Me Too. Like, sure, it could rocket, but I kind of doubt it. Or it'll rocket as much as all the other layer 1s, like Me Too layer 1s, right? That's how I feel. In terms of Galaxy that we did earlier, you do quests. Okay. Next ETI, COTI. Really? You think so? Any hope for ICP holders? Not if you're holding from all-time highs, which is when it first launched. Robonomics XRT IoT token. Do you think robotics will be the next narrative with Tesla bot? I think it could be a narrative, not the next big narrative, because there's just not that many big projects in the robotics slash. Okay, Robonomics XRT. Robonomics. Let's just take a look. There's not that many projects like this, though. That's the thing. Fully diluted. Market cap. Okay. Max. Wow, when was this? 2021, 2020? This is an old project. So no, I don't think this will be the next big narrative. It's on Kraken, it's on Uniswap. Welcome to Robonomics Network. Wow, what a site. What a weird site. Decentralized application, digital twin, IoT smart device. Honestly, I feel like this is mostly a niche application that will never have anything mass adoption come out of it, unless I'm sorely mistaken. But I mean, just think about it. Like, IoT devices, IoT marketplace. Is anyone using it is the question. Robonomics. Let's see on Twitter. Connected robots within Web3 technologies. It's just a niche use case at this point. Robonomics XRT. Is it XRT? Yes, XRT. I remember correctly. IoT, robotics, and crypto, and a decent dot bet. Oh, it's dot ecosystem. Built on Polkadot is a D-pin. Oh, it's D-pin narrative. Okay, D-pin is a hot narrative. Okay. D-pin, serverless IoT, low market cap, 70% of supply burn, robotics, AI. D-pin. PolkaSwap, Uniswap. Yeah, I guess. But yeah. It's circulating supply. Let me go back to CoinMarketCap. I like how they visualize that better. Robonomics, XRT, circulating supply, max supply. Okay, this is a little bit different data. Not the most excited about it, but narrative-wise, I think it could do well. Let's see. What else? Obi, what do you think about Polkadot 2.0 release supposedly coming soon? Burn mechanism has been updated. Burning from core time sales, right? Yes, I think I'm very bullish Polkadot 2.0. Very bullish on, instead of parachains, they're doing here. Let me just show y'all instead. Polkadot 2.0. Best, a picture says 1,000 words. So instead of doing, that's kind of hard to, right here. Instead of doing, okay, that is right here. Instead of doing each parachain, remember each of these lines are conceptually parachains, like parachain 1, Astar network, parachain 2, Moonbeam, whatever. But in the future, you don't have to lease for a 2-year period. You can just pay as you go as needed. That's much more efficient. And when you buy these core times, the dot used for it will likely be burnt as well, which is deflationary pressure, which is amazing. So I like that. Thank you for bringing that up. Let's see. Koof, thoughts on Centrifuge at CFG. A real-world asset with a blockchain. Access liquidity using NFT in a Polkadot ecosystem. I like Centrifuge a lot. Centrifuge, I like it a lot. One of the most solid RWA projects. If you like RWA narrative, Centrifuge is one you have to consider. 500 million total assets financed. Platform for on-chain finance. Audited. Okay. One great place to look at any project RWA related is rwa.xyz. Let's just launch the dashboard. And you can see Centrifuge is the largest active loans value by protocol, the highest amount by far, followed by Goldfinch, Maple, Clearpool, Credix, etc. So Centrifuge is amazing. They do have some defaulted loans, but I guess it's not that big. Cash drag. Yeah, a lot of great data you can look at here. rwa.xyz. But let's take a look at Centrifuge in terms of CoinMarketCap. Centrifuge, only 300 million, almost all circulating. Wow, if real-world assets narratives takes off, oh, okay, market cap is at all-time highs. When real-world assets take off, oh, it's not on Coinbase, Kraken, OKX, okay. It's still decently accessible. Oh, I think Wrapped Centrifuge. Wait, Wrapped Centrifuge is the one that's on Coinbase, and yeah, Wrapped Centrifuge. Okay. Yeah, this is accessible. I do like Centrifuge, folks. I do like Centrifuge. Numbers protocol. YouTube, Binance, Google are all investors. YouTube is an investor? You serious? What is this anyways? Numbers protocol. Interesting name. Gate, not very accessible. I guess it's okay. Okay, one sec. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at this. 2021 till now. Wow. Supply expansion killing people. You see? You see this market cap going up to all-time highs while price is still struggling. That's due to this supply expansion. That's what I'm warning y'all about all the time. That's what I'm saying, folks. Open decentralized network. Ensure provenance for all digital media. Okay, I see. I see. But YouTube invested in it? For real? Is that right? Unlicensed images. So it has to do with images, like tracking images, ensuring provenance. Okay, I see. Numbers protocol, YouTube investment. Is that true? Numbers protocol. Noir Ventures joins Binance, YouTube, and Twitch co-founders. Oh, co-founders. Not them, not the companies themselves. It's YouTube co-founder, Twitch co-founder. That's a little bit misleading the way you wrote it, not the one. But still could be interesting use case. Not that hot of a narrative, I'd say. But yeah. Okay, let's see what next. People still like Luna Classic. That's okay. Personally, I think it's a dead project, even though I think it did rocket quite a bit. Kudos. Decentralized cloud like Akash, but has full VM access and lower market cap, also in Cosmos ecosystem. Hey, in our Cosmos ecosystem one, we should potentially include Kudos then. Kudos. Is it in Cosmos Eco? Yes, it is. Osmosis, 159. KuCoin, Osmosis, Uniswap. Let me close some of these tabs. Too many tabs open. Akash network. Am I saying that correctly or is it Akash? Akash. Let me compare these two. Let's see its potential. Kudos right here. Akash. 5x to now. 6x to all-time high. Wow. So there's not that much upside for Kudos if you're going to track it based on how close it is to Akash. Yeah, this in and of itself makes me less excited about it. It's already close to like the leader in this space. And someone said that Luna C was up insane amount today. Luna Classic. Let's just see. I'm not buying it, but wow. Okay, there is a drawdown though. Yeah, look at this death. I'm not touching it. Okay, anyways, I was just checking Bitcoin's price real quick. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like a pump and dump happy homemaker. Let us see. What else have people saying? Not the one we just covered that, but thank you for the super chat regardless. We did say we're not going to prioritize super chats though, so let me get to some other ones first. ZKSwap, main DEX on ZK Sync. Mainnet is coming early 2022. So does ZKSwap have a token or not yet? ZKSwap does. Okay, market cap Sync Swap. Is this a ZKSwap? Yeah, I mean, if ZK Sync, let's see. Can we do this here? ZKSwap. Nope, we can't. They're not even on there. I think it could take the lead of like Trader Joe on Avalanche or Orca on Solana, or it depends on how big ZK Sync gets, right? The top DEX of any ecosystem will do well, but it depends on how the ecosystem does. Like how many great projects or meme coins even are on ZK Sync, and people will ZKSwap to trade it and potentially buy ZKSwap's token too. That's my thoughts on that. So we'll see. Alt crashing hard. I got wrecked. Dang, I have a lot of alts too. Are they really crashing hard? Let's see right now. I've been focusing on Shiba Inu. Oh, wow. All the big alts retracing. I wouldn't say they're crashing hard, but the meme coins are retracing quite a bit. Wow, bonk down 15%. The other ones aren't crashing that hard, I would say. Maybe you bought too many meme coins, Matt. COTI has a new focus on ETH instead of ADA. John Fortnite Kennedy Wello. Really? I didn't hear about that, but I feel like the ADA crew will hate that if that's true. Market cap, okay. It's on Coinbase, Binance, very accessible. Oh, CoinGecko, okay. Bringing privacy to Ethereum. Did COTI really change from ADA to ETH? I gotta see the people's reaction on Twitter for that. COTI, ETH, ADA. Let's see what people said. COTI was the first investment of Cardano Fund. Okay, but are they nice? And then COTI decided to go to Ethereum because, let's be honest, Ethereum. COTI still works with Cardano. Okay. But now they kind of are betraying Cardano by going to ETH layer 2, or you could just say they're expanding their potential market. That is a way to take on it too. Oh wow, stick with pride. Cardano projects. See, y'all need to watch my Cardano video. This is not the best shot of me, but yeah. Okay, let's take a look at some other projects. Let's see. Someone wrote a tip for me. By the way, Dean, thank you for this. If a coin isn't on market cap up, CoinGecko has a feature built into the website. I will use that in the future. Thank you for that. Let's see. What else? What else? Index. This is an older project. Index Co-op. Different trend indexes. Makes crypto easy, just like the S&P 500. I did buy a lot of Index back in the day, but now it's kind of an older project. Market cap up 67%. Coinbase, Uniswap, not bad. Yeah, this is like their products are like indices, right? That's Index Co-op. So you can have different things like DeFi protocol index. Let's see what all other products they have. Bankless index, Metaverse index. Do they have an AI index? Gitcoin staked Ethereum index. Man, they should have an AI index, you know? Okay, some German names. Sorry, I can't pronounce that. Elf. Thank you for the super chat. Like I said, no super chats will be prioritized, but I will get to them slowly, hopefully. Self-evolving. This is an older project, right? Y'all know me. I don't like older layer ones like from yesteryear, like Neo or EOS or all those other ones. Binance OKX. This is an older one from 2018. It didn't even get there. Oh, okay. Market cap is near all-time highs. Market cap wise, it got there last cycle, but price wise, it does not. This is where the supply expansion yet again comes in, folks. Elf. If I remember correctly, game devs, they definitely repivoted themselves. Game devs. It used to be like supply chain, if I'm not tripping. Am I tripping? I thought Elf was for supply chain in the past. Now they're doing game devs. Is anyone building on these? Elf at Ethereum Denver. Okay. Smart contract blockchain security. I'm not that excited about Elf, just FYI. A lot of other newer, exciting ones. Wait, what did Benjamin say? I missed it. Oh, okay. When alt season? Hopefully, as soon as Bitcoin starts ranging around all-time highs, like going sideways, then hopefully we'll have a broad-based altcoin season. Thank you. Doing great. Good to see you joining again. These are remarkable times. Yeah. Dia. I do like Dia. We checked this out last time. Direct competitor to Link. 10x. Easy, in my opinion. Whoever brought Dia onto my radar, thank you. I did end up buying a small bag. Not that much. Small bag, though. 63 mil. Chainlink competitor. Do I think it'll beat Chainlink? Unlikely. But I think it is a good product. I do like the niche too. Cross-chain oracles for Web3. Basically a direct Chainlink competitor. So yeah. They got their work cut out in front of them. Let's see. Bullish Woo. Yes, I think they're a really solid project exchange, really solid team. I don't think they have as much momentum as other projects. Oh, wow. Market cap at all-time high already. Meanwhile, price not even close to all-time high. Supply expansion, folks. I like Woo. I used to like them a lot more. Now it's just okay. Vinayak Gupta says, could you please talk about... Yeah, I wrote down so many coins in previous live streams. I did not buy all of them. I did buy some, though, like Dia, for example. But it's a smaller allocation, like maybe 1% of my portfolio or 0.5% even. So... yeah, that's my take. Link is a permanent monopoly. That's honestly how I feel as well. Wormholes have an airdrop? You serious? That is quite interesting. Let us see. Wormhole airdrop. Are they? Wait, no. Is this? Okay. Wormhole trading at 17 billion fully diluted value. The biggest airdrop to date. But did y'all actually use Wormhole? I haven't, though. No, is that airdrop? That looked like a scam airdrop. Or am I tripping? Yeah, this was a scam account. Look, the name's not even right. That's a scam account. I don't even know if they have an airdrop. You may be right or wrong. Is it time? I mean, if you want to take some profits off the table, I won't blame you. I think bull market's not over yet, though. Bella Letty Alley. Do you like pixels? I don't know. Let's check it out. That is something we checked out last time, wasn't it? Pixel. Let's see. Pixel. 15% circulating. That I do not like. Explore new type of gameplay. Yeah, it's like, it reminds me of DeFi Kingdom. I'm not a fan of that, in my opinion, unless I'm missing something. 900,000 players? Are you I don't believe that. Show me the stats. I may be wrong. I may eat my words. I don't believe that. Some YouTubers saying sell your crypto now. I'm going to hold, but if they're right, then they may be lucky. Anyhow, folks, we will do this often throughout the bull market. Find projects together. Maybe y'all buy some, maybe I'll buy some, but this is great. This gets us better alpha than if I shared my own research, because y'all, the collective wisdom of the crowd, is something that cannot be beat. So please join me next time. Please subscribe. Wait 1 sec. We have one more thing I have to do. AW Hacks Champ token. Game is on last one, folks. Game is on Epic Game Store. Fiat on-ramp in progress. Champ token. Really? It's on Epic Game Store already. NFT champs. This one? New gameplay. Join the adventure. Interesting. Ooh, let's watch this video. Okay, is this actual gameplay though? Well, it looks like it could be fun. What do y'all think? I hope that's real gameplay. Yeah. Anyhow, we'll do this a lot more, so please like this stream, please subscribe, and catch me on the next one. But first, don't forget to check out our partner and sponsor, Kraken Pro. I really love that platform for traders and investors. It's a great platform for all types of traders and investors. Just use my link below, and catch y'all on the next stream.